Seema, what do you think is wrong with today's dating relationships, especially the onset of the relationships, the very first date? Because earlier it used to be like taking it slow. मिलने से पहले ही 4 बार कितनी बार, they used to spend a lot of time. So it used to be like a long affair before they actually have a physical relationship. But now things move so fast. तो क्या difference है? Is there anything that the current generation or the current age couples are doing wrong?
So I think it's not so much that they're doing it wrong, but the circumstances are different. See, in our time, when you met somebody, you met them physically somewhere. Like party pe mile, aankhein mili, thodi baatein ki. There was that personal connect. Today, you're meeting people online. So there is no personal connect. I mean, on WhatsApp or on message, you can be as cool, suave. In real life, I could take one look at you and think, oh my God, what the hell? You know what I mean? Or they might look at me and say, oh my God, what the hell? But so that is the first thing, that your first meeting with somebody would have been in person long before your date. Here, you have met online. It is so cold and clinical.
Yeah.
Even if you've chatted, you feel, oh, this has been so amazing. So without meeting, there was this huge, oh, the chemistry. We're talking for hours. Oh my God, it's so amazing. We also used to do that for all night long. You'd be, with someone in landline, yeah, with that long wire, which you used to drag into your room at night, and all night you were talking. You come from a different generation. Yeah. Mine was a landline with a long connected wire, which was dragged into the room at night jab parents so jate the. And then you would be sitting over there under your bed talking to somebody.
That was real love, I would say. That was a real challenge.
Dil ko lahu karne ki fursat bhi bahut thi. Right. So, but yeah, so there was also a certain rule around the dates. There was a rule that you would be, the guy would take you out. He would ask you out. He would pay on that date and so on. Today, there are very different rules. You go to go on that first date. You're supposed to already be in a particular place. You're supposed to have arrived there already.
Okay.
Because you have been messaging, texting. So you're supposed to already be in that. Okay.
Yes.
Then there is the expectation of what that date is supposed to bring to you. Okay. Your meeting, it should more than likely lead to sex. If not the first time, definitely by the second time, because you already know that you are meeting because you have liked each other.
Okay.
There is an expectation. The other thing is this need to be cool, which is one of the biggest issues. This was always there. Now this need to be cool has reached a different level. So this woman spoke to me, young girl. She said she went on this date with this guy. And this whole idea of, oh, I don't like girls who are too clingy. I don't like there's that whole this thing. So the girls are also trying to be cool. So she said that they met, they had sex. And because she was trying to be cool, she didn't want to stay there afterwards to say, let's cuddle, let's be together. So they barely finished. I mean, they had barely finished when she got up and ran out. To prove that, मैं तो बहुत cool हूँ, मैं तुम्हें cling नहीं करूँगी, तुम मुझसे प्यार कर लो. This guy was so offended, he asked her out on another date and he did the same thing to her. To show कि मैं भी कर सकता हूँ.
मैं भी cool हूँ.
Because he didn't see it as her trying to be cool and say, I won't cling to you. उसके ego पे बहुत धक्का लगा. So he just decided to do the same thing to her. And it left both of them feeling so shit. And I just think that, we are still doing this thing of bringing our daughters up with so many insecurities. We don't bring a girl up to say, it's okay, the guy will or maybe not like you enough to continue, but the time that you're together, make that count. Let that be nice. We're teaching them still to be insecure about themselves. We need to teach our daughters differently.
And no matter what, how much they try to hide their real self or try to be cool, there are still, I believe, that there are still emotions being invested.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah.
They're still investing like a lot of themselves while just being there and spending time with someone. So just trying to be cool and perceived differently, they're not just making the other person fool, but in turn losing a lot
yourself.
of
Yeah. You're right. And the sad thing is, like, women are also not taught anything about their bodies. They're not taught what to feel when they're being intimate. They're taught only what to do. तुम ऐसे करो, ये नहीं कि तुम ऐसे करोगे तो इस तरह की फीलिंग आएगी, ये होगा. I just think कि this nonsense of the purity narrative. Purity is who you are as a person, as a human being. Purity is not whether you touch yourself or understand your pleasure, but who you are as a human being. आपका दिमाग क्या कहता है, आपका दिल क्या करता है. How you treat other people. That is niceness, that is goodness, that's purity.
Exactly.
पर हमने वो सब कुछ उठाकर एक औरत की वजाइना में रख दिया, सब कुछ. वो ह्यूमन इंसान तो है ही नहीं. She's just genitalia, that's it. This is where, when we talk about wellness, ancient philosophies mein wellness was not a separate subject. It was not that हम अपनी ज़िंदगी ऐसे जिएंगे and then we will come out of it for a little bit and go to a spa. Like, I will leave my life for a little bit, become well, then go back into my life. You had to lead your life in such a way that you tied up with the rhythm of your body and the universe. So you stayed well.
Right.
You had to be well through everything. So isn't that the first thing that we've lost out? And honestly, sexual wellness, जो हमारी relationship wellness है, if that's not going well, that has such a bad impact on your brain. I mean, that can actually destroy your mind. So yeah, for me, understanding relationships is so important. And I think कि हम इस पे बात नहीं करते. And so I'm really glad कि आज हम इस पर बात कर रहे हैं. जितनी ज़्यादा हम बात कर सकते हैं, लोग उससे सीखेंगे. And hopefully that will take us further.
Thank you so much for watching this clip, and I'm sure that you're going to enjoy the entire conversation even more. Link of full podcast is in the description below.